How to fix Facebook memories not working. Hey everyone! In today's quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the Facebook memories not working issue on your phone. If your memories aren't showing up, not loading, or just acting weird, don't worry. Follow these simple steps and you'll have everything working again in no time. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Next, go to Manage Apps. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Type Facebook into it. When the app shows up, go ahead and tap on it. Now tap on Storage. Here comes the important part. Tap Clear Data and then choose Clear Cache. Then Confirm. This wipes out all the temporary files that might be causing Facebook memories to glitch. And don't worry, this won't delete your account, your posts, or anything important. It just resets the app's temporary files so it can work properly again. Once you've done that, go back and open the Google Play Store. Search for Facebook. If you see an update button, make sure to update the app to the latest version. This alone can fix a lot of issues. After updating, go ahead and restart your phone. Just power it off, then turn it back on. Now reopen Facebook. Head to your Memories section and check if everything is loading correctly. And that's it. Your Facebook memories not working issue should now be completely fixed. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more quick and simple tech fixes.